Welcome to Chris T's Kitchen. Today we are making butterfly cakes. You will need 110 grams of butter for the cakes and 120 grams of butter for the buttercream. 110 grams of caster sugar. 110 grams of self-raising flour. 2 eggs. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract for the cakes and 2 teaspoons for the buttercream. 1 teaspoon of baking powder. 250 grams of icing sugar. 2 tablespoons of strawberry jam. And 1 tablespoon of milk for the cakes and 1 to 2 tablespoons if needed to loosen the buttercream. Cooking method. Add 110 grams of self-raising flour, 110 grams of caster sugar and 110 grams of butter to a mixing bowl. Add 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Add 1 tablespoon of milk. Add 2 eggs. Beat until smooth. Line a muffin tin with 8 cases. Spoon the mixture into the cases. In a preheated oven 180 degrees Celsius conventional oven or 160 degrees Celsius fan oven bake for 15 minutes. Cool on a wire rack. Add 250 grams of icing sugar and 120 grams of butter to a mixer. Add 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Beat together. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons of milk if needed to loosen the buttercream. Beat until smooth. Decant the buttercream into a piping bag and place 2 tablespoons of strawberry jam into another piping bag. Cut the top off each cake and slice that top in half. This makes the butterfly wings. Pipe the buttercream on top of the cakes. Push the 2 semicircular halves into the buttercream on each cake. Pipe on some strawberry jam on top between the 2 wings. Place and store in an airtight container. My butterfly cakes.